Welcome to the Project Smart Save channel. In today's episode, I'll be fixing a Beko dryer that isn't pumping water and has its indicator lights on.
Let's start the repair. The first and most important thing is to unplug it from the power. Let's begin. We unscrew the screw from the pump. We open it, remembering to disconnect the tube. Here you go, the tube. We open it, making sure to thread the tube through here, not to put it inside. Otherwise, it'll be hard to take it out later. Alright, next we check. There's a click. That means this part, which turns on the pump, is working. If there's a click, it most likely works. Next, we connect the pump. We connect the part, making sure, of course, to remember where we previously connected the pump and which wires go where. We connect the component that turns on the pump. The switch. Alright. Next, we need to take the whole component out from inside. We connect another hose. The one inside is in place. There you go, the second one. And we pull out the whole component. Got it. Here's the pump. This is what broke. Careful. Now, you need to pull it out from inside. Click and done. The pump is out. Here we have the new pump. It can be a new pump. It can be used, but preferably new. That way, we're sure it works. We take it out. Next, you need to install it. You need to put it in the same place where the old one was. The click should snap all the way in here. Done. Now, what do we do next? We put it back in place, remembering about the wires. We put it back in. Oh! Be careful not to break anything. And we put it back in. We connect the switch here. We connect the pump, then just one wire. Yes, we close it. You absolutely need to carefully run this electrical wire through this specific opening here before completely closing everything up, and then meticulously connect it back over there, precisely right where it originally was located. We carefully screw in the screw into the designated spot. And that's it. Now, we preliminarily connect the tumble dryer.